Hello and welcome to this video where I will tell you everything you need to know about Threads, the new app from Meta that aims to replace Twitter. Threads is a text-based social media platform that lets you share your thoughts, ideas, and opinions with the world. You can also post photos and videos, join public conversations, and discover new creators who share your interests. Threads is built by the Instagram team, so it has a familiar design and interface. You can log in with your Instagram account and keep the same username and verification. You can also share your Threads posts to your Instagram stories or to any other platform you choose. Threads is different from Twitter in several ways. First of all, Threads has a longer character limit of 500 compared to Twitter's 280. This means you can express yourself more fully and clearly on Threads. Secondly, Threads has more tools to enable positive and productive conversations. You can control who can mention you or reply to you within Threads. You can also filter out replies that contain specific words, or block, restrict, or report any profile that violates the community guidelines. Thirdly, Threads is envisioned to be compatible with an open social networking protocol, which means it can connect with other interoperable services across the internet. This could make Threads more accessible and diverse than Twitter, which is a closed platform. Threads was launched on July 5, 2023, and it has already gained over 30 million signups as of July 7. Many celebrities, brands, journalists, and influencers have joined Threads, creating a buzz around the app. Twitter, on the other hand, has faced backlash since Elon Musk took over the platform in October 2022. Many users are unhappy with the policies and changes that Musk has implemented, such as limiting the amount of content users can view each day. Some people are calling Threads the Twitter killer, as they see it as a better alternative to Twitter. However, it remains to be seen whether Threads can sustain its growth and popularity in the long run.